Hello, Happy New Year's Day 2019 to everyone. My last call said there was strong resistance at Friday's high. Unless we gapped and promptly overtook it, lower prices should print. Monday we gapped up smartly, never overtook the high, went into a 20-point swoon, actually went into negative territory. That's all that was necessary to satisfy the call. Of course, as I said we'd be up instead of down, I could claim victory too, as we spent most of the day in positive territory. Wednesday's pattern's the one with the early low, doesn't mean you won't gap up first. We have conflicting indicators. It's positive we have a higher MEJT target. What's not positive is this resistance held. We gapped up twice and couldn't make any progress. We couldn't even clear any of these highs. If you ignore this wall into the close, which is almost always reversed right when the market reopens, and most likely represents tax-related purchases, if that's what it is, it'll be reversed when we open by gapping under this low, and ideally under this one. Because of conflicting indicators, the most likely thing is we gap and promptly move outside the day's range. Next most likely is we close, it'll change. Have the big move Thursday, least likely by a large margin. Either one of those things happen. Because of the resistance I pointed out here earlier, because of this wall, which usually represents false purchases, false meaning they'll be retraced, because 2 days of gapping up hasn't led to any progress. I think it's more likely than not that we're going to gap down when the market reopens, undercut this low and probably this one. The catch is if we gap up over this high, you've overcome very strong resistance and there could be a lot more upside. So I think Wednesday's open is going to tell the tale. Most likely we gap outside the range. We could actually hit this and then drop. I can't say it's impossible, but I'm still looking for this high to hold and for lower prices under these lows soon after the open. Again, the second choice is that this falls, which we should know before the open. And if that falls, the whole argument falls apart too. So the open Wednesday should really tell the story. That's today's call.